I have 3 loaves of sourdough bread here. Can you tell the difference? Hey, what's up? Today we are going to experiment together. 3 breads, same kneading and shaping techniques, but different baking methods. I am going to bake 2 of them from open baking method, one with fan and one without fan. And for the 3rd bread, I am going to use my regular structure of baking with the help of Dutch oven. I never bake a sourdough bread with the fan on function. Choosing the right oven function is a bit challenging. I guess this video answers some of your questions.
So make sure you subscribe my channel if you don't want to miss my next video.
So let's get into this, shall we? I'm gonna use my regular sourdough bread recipe. You can check the links in description. And for the ingredients also, you can check description. Add salt and starter to the water. It's 75% hydration. Flour, whole wheat flour. Bring it together, we don't want to knead it. Wet up your hand, mix it, and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring it on the surface and try to round it up. Few slap and fold, and we create tension like this. Use a scraper, the dough into the bowl, let it rest for 1 hour. Clean the surface, wet it up or oil it up. Bring the dough again. Use lamination technique. Everything as usual. Again, round it up. And after 3 to 4 hours bulk fermentation, time to final shape. Shape the dough to batard. Seal the edges. Beautiful. Into the banneton. First one, done. Second one. Everything is the same. Shape it. Roll it. Seal the edges. Use the scraper, transfer it into the banneton. Second one done, and the 3rd one also the same. Everything is the same kneading and shaping technique. Into the fridge for up to 12 hours. The day after, time to bake it. Poke test done. Bring it on the baking paper and score it confidently. I'm gonna use my Dutch oven. As always, this is the 1st bread. Second one, poke test done. Dust it with flour, score it again. Here is my adjustment. I'm gonna use baking stone, of course. Both of my breads on top of that. Use a tray of boiling water to create a steam. 20 minutes with the steam and with the lid. And 20 minutes without steam until it's brown and beautiful. But for my 3rd bread, I'm gonna change my oven function to fan function, which I never used before. 20 minutes with steam, 20 minutes without steam, and everything is the same. And look at it. Can you tell me the difference? Let's check them all. First bread, the Dutch oven one. Beautiful hollow sound, good crust. Let's check the inside. Beautiful open crumb. As usual. Standard method. And the second one, open baking method. Again, hollow sound. Beautiful crust. Let's check the inside. Good, even better. Very nice. And the 3rd one. Amazing crust. Let's open it. with a fascinating open crumb. This one really surprised me. First one, Dutch oven method. Quite standard, no risk method, I call it. Second one, not a big difference, beautiful. And the third one, more open crumb.
If you're a rookie baker and you bake only for your family, definitely Dutch oven methods is the best. It's the easiest yet safest method ever. In the future, if I'm going to bake for my loved one, for my family or for myself, I definitely use Dutch oven method, which is my regular method. But if I'm going to bake multiple breads, I'm going to use open baking method. I'm going to consider baking with fan, because the result really surprised me. But as I always say, you need to always adjust the recipe, baking methods, timing, and even temperature according to your place and the oven you are going to use. Because all of the ovens are different. Maybe you haven't baked your best bread yet. Who knows? Until next time, keep baking and take good care of yourself.